Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. The Moon, our closest neighbor in space and Earth's loyal companion. But how much do you really know about it? From its mysterious far side to the hidden water ice beneath its surface, the Moon is full of surprises that will leave you amazed. In today's video, we're exploring 10 fascinating facts about the Moon that you won't want to miss. So grab your telescope and let's dive into the wonders of our celestial partner. The Moon is Earth's only natural satellite and has been a constant presence in our night sky for 4.5 billion years. Formed shortly after Earth, the most accepted theory suggests it originated from a giant impact between Earth and a Mars-sized object called Theia. This collision ejected debris into space, which coalesced over time to form the Moon. Its gravitational influence has been critical to Earth's stability, shaping its climate and even aiding the development of life by moderating the axial tilt and creating predictable tidal patterns. The Moon is in synchronous rotation with Earth, meaning it takes the same time to rotate on its axis as it does to orbit Earth, about 27.3 days. This phenomenon causes the same side of the Moon, known as the near side, to always face Earth. The far side, often misnamed the dark side, wasn't seen until the Soviet Luna 3 mission in 1959. While it receives sunlight like the near side, it is more rugged, with fewer Maria, dark plains, and more craters due to its exposure to space. The Moon plays a crucial role in Earth's natural rhythms. Its gravitational pull generates the ocean tides, which help distribute heat and nutrients across the planet's waters, supporting marine ecosystems. Furthermore, the Moon stabilizes Earth's axial tilt, preventing extreme climate swings that could have hindered the evolution of life. Without the Moon, Earth's tilt could vary wildly, leading to unpredictable and possibly uninhabitable climates. With no significant atmosphere to trap heat, the Moon experiences some of the most extreme temperature variations in the solar system. During the lunar day, temperatures soar to about 127 degrees Celsius, 260 degrees Fahrenheit, while at night they plummet to minus 173 degrees Celsius, minus 280 degrees Fahrenheit. This stark contrast occurs because there's no air to insulate the surface, demonstrating the importance of an atmosphere for moderating temperatures, as seen on Earth. While the Moon may appear dry and barren, scientists have discovered water ice in permanently shadowed craters near the poles. These regions, called cold traps, remain in perpetual darkness and are some of the coldest places in the solar system. This water could serve as a resource for drinking, growing food, or producing rocket fuel by splitting water into hydrogen and oxygen, making it a cornerstone for future lunar bases or missions to Mars and beyond. The Moon is gradually moving away from Earth at a rate of 3.8 centimeters per year due to tidal interactions. Over billions of years, this will result in longer days on Earth and weaker tides. If this process continues unchecked, though it's an incredibly slow process, the Moon could one day drift so far away that it no longer stabilizes Earth's axial tilt, causing dramatic changes to our planet's climate. However, this scenario is billions of years in the future. The Moon's surface is covered in regolith, a fine, dusty layer created by billions of years of meteoroid impacts. Without an atmosphere, weather, or plate tectonics to erase its scars, the Moon's surface remains a pristine record of the solar system's violent history. Craters like the Tycho crater, 85 kilometers wide, and Copernicus crater, 93 kilometers wide, provide valuable clues about the early solar system and the formation of planets. Between 1969 and 1972, 6 Apollo missions successfully landed astronauts on the Moon, resulting in 12 humans walking on its surface. The first, Neil Armstrong, famously declared, That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Despite this monumental achievement, humans have only explored a tiny fraction of the moon's surface. Future missions, like NASA's Artemis program, aim to establish a sustainable presence on the moon, focusing on unexplored regions, such as the South Pole, where water ice is abundant. Beneath the moon's surface lie lava tubes, vast tunnels formed billions of years ago when molten lava flowed beneath the crust and eventually drained away. These tubes could provide natural shelter for astronauts, protecting them from radiation, micrometeorite impacts, and extreme temperatures. Recent studies suggest some of these tubes could be large enough to house entire colonies, making them key to long-term lunar habitation. The moon has been a source of inspiration for humanity throughout history. It has guided ancient calendars, influenced the timing of agricultural practices, and played a central role in myths, legends, and art. Civilizations across the globe have personified the moon, seeing it as a god, goddess, or mystical being. Even in modern times, the moon remains a symbol of wonder and exploration, reminding us of our place in the cosmos and inspiring the next generation of dreamers and explorers. And that wraps up our journey through these 10 fascinating facts about the moon. From its ancient origins to its potential role in future space exploration, the moon continues to inspire and amaze us. If you enjoyed learning more about our celestial companion, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an exciting video. Which moon fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time among the stars.